Okay, so approved and on the way, the Moderna vaccine expected to arrive in Texas today after receiving the FDA's approval on Friday. Now, this is a major step in the fight to stop the spread of COVID-19, and it couldn't come at a better time. Tiffany Liu is live in Dallas with more on the vaccine's arrival. Hi, Tiffany.
Good morning, Kara. Yes, Moderna's vaccine has already started shipping out across the country, and here in North Texas last week, throughout the whole week, we saw healthcare workers getting their shots one by one. Now, with both companies, Pfizer and Moderna, Dallas County will receive another 25,000 doses by the end of this week. Tarrant County should be getting just under 27,000. Some have raised concerns about possible side effects like headache and fatigue, but health officials tell us Tylenol can help alleviate those symptoms. Overall, this is the first step in a long process, and doctors say it will take months to get herd immunity.
These numbers are going to take weeks to play out, even to cover these top priority healthcare providers. This is promising. It shows us a path, but no one can relax at this point.
So right now, the vaccine is prioritized for healthcare workers and long-term care facility residents, and it'll be months before the general public can be vaccinated. So doctors are asking people to take all the precautions that we have learned in the last year, to wash your hands, to wear your mask, and continue to watch your distance. Let's send it back to you, Kara.
So as we wait for shipments of the Moderna vaccine to arrive in Texas, we are learning more about who will be next in line. Yesterday, a CDC panel voted on its recommendation for who should get this next round of vaccines. The experts determined that people 75 and older and frontline essential workers will be next. So this includes police officers, grocery store workers, teachers, and daycare staff. This is estimated to be around 49 million Americans. And that is good news considering the number of COVID cases in the Texas and the country continue to rise. Hospitalizations are going up as well. The state hit another record high. Cleo Green joining us right now in our newsroom with the latest and what healthcare officials are saying.
Yeah, Kara, we've been following the state's COVID-19 dashboard. At this point, it was updated yesterday afternoon. It should be updated a little later this evening. But at this point, 9,856 COVID-19 patients are currently in Texas hospitals. In our area, North Texas, that number surpassed 3,000, reaching an all-time record since this pandemic began. All right, so we have some new numbers that were reported on Sunday as well. In Dallas County, reporting nearly 900 patients were hospitalized. In Tarrant County, more than 1,000 patients are hospitalized. In terms of those new COVID-19 cases, here are the new numbers at this point. Dallas County is reporting 1,143 new cases. Tarrant County is reporting 960. Collin County reporting 417. All right, so when we look at the numbers as a whole here, across the state on Saturday, Texas surpassed 25,000 deaths from the coronavirus pandemic, the second highest total in the country. The U.S. is now averaging nearly 2,600 deaths per day. Here at home, the Tarrant County Sheriff's Office is mourning the death of Lieutenant Craig King. He was just 50 years old and he had been fighting COVID since November. Now, in a release that I just checked on Twitter as well, they just tweeted that about 9 hours ago. He had died on Saturday, and we're also learning that his friends and family, well, they just thank you for the outpouring of support, and well, they'd like you to keep them in their prayers. Kara, I'll send it to you.
Of course.